Good day, everyone. I am Vincent Villawan, together with my group, Joshua Villaluna and Roy Siasis Jr. So we are from Batangas State University, Arasog, Nasugbu campus. So today, we are excited to present to you the fascinating world of specialized and immersive platforms, focusing on spatial computing and digital twins. So these technologies are no longer just science fictions, but they are actively shaping our present and future.
To guide us through our discussion, here is our roadmap. We will start by explaining what spatial computer is. Then we will explore the different types of immersive technologies like VR, AR, and MR. So after that, Mr. Rowie will introduce the concept of digital twins. We will then see how all these technologies work together in a powerful synergy, look at their real-world impact, discuss the future outlook, and finally, summarize our key takeaways.
So let's start with the foundation. What is spatial computing? Simply put, spatial computing is a technological framework that enables computer to understand and interact with the three-dimensional space around us. So think of it like this. So your smartphone's camera can detect surfaces like your floor or a table. When you use an IKEA app to see how a virtual sofa would look like in your actual living room, that's spatial computer at work. It's blending digital information seamlessly with our physical environment. So it's the magic that allows digital objects to know where your walls, floors, and furnitures are.
So, what are its key characteristics? First, it understands and maps 3D environments. So it creates a digital map of your room. Second, it allows natural interaction with digital content. So instead of using your mouse, you might use your hands to push and grab a virtual object. And mostly importantly, it serves as the foundation for VR, AR, MR, and digital twins. It's the base technology that makes all the other immersive experiences possible.
Now, let's dive into the first of the immersive technologies, virtual reality or VR. VR is fully immersive, computer-generated simulation that replaces the user's real-world environment. Its key features is that it completely blocks out the physical world. Example, a great example is VR gaming headset, like Oculus Rift. When you put it on, you are no longer in this classroom. You could be fighting dragons on a mountain or exploring the depth of the oceans. The real world is completely shut out, and you are fully inside a digital one.
Next, we have augmented reality or AR. Unlike VR, AR does not replace the real world. Instead, it overlays digital information onto the user's view on the real world. Example: the most famous example is the mobile game Pokemon or Pokemon Go, where you see a digital creatures appearing in your real world park or street through your phones and camera. Another common example is the filters on the Snapchat or Instagram that put digital dog ears and sunglasses on your face in real time.
Bridging the gap between VR and AR is mixed reality, or also known as MR. So MR is a hybrid environment where digital objects interact with and are anchored to the physical world. So the key feature here is the digital and physical object coexist and interact. So for example, imagine you were wearing MR glasses like the Microsoft HoloLens. So you could have a virtual YouTube video player. So it can pin to your real world. And then you can resize it with your hands. Or a digital character could jump from your desk and hide behind your actual chair. So the digital object understand and react to your physical space.
Now, let's move on to the brain behind many of these operations. Digital twins. A digital twin is a dynamic virtual replica of the physical object, process, or system, synchronized with real-time data. Its key feature is that it allows for simulation, analysis, and control without any road risk. Think about a jet engine. A company can create a digital twin of that engine on a computer. They can feed it real-time data from sensors on the actual engine, like temperature and vibration. They can then run simulation on the digital model to see what would happen if they push the engine, all without ever risking the physical engine. It's like a super advanced flight simulator.
The true power is revealed when these technologies work together. So let's look at this complete system using a healthcare example. So data is collected from a physical asset. In this case, a hospital patient through live scans and vital signs monitors. So the digital twins processes this real-time data to create a live model of the patient's heart. So a spatial computing maps this data precisely onto the surgeon's view of the actual operating room and the patient. So an AR headset then displays this information intuitively from the doctor, showing the beating heart superimposed on the patient's chest. So the result? So the result is the enhanced decision making and operational efficiency. So the surgeon can see through the patient, leading to more precise and safer operations.
This synergy is already transforming industries. So let's take a look at manufacturing. Boeing uses AR glasses to show technicians which wires to connect in complex aircraft cabins. So this has reduced errors and cut assembly time by significant 25%. And then Siemens employs digital twins to simulate and optimize entire production lines. So they can test different configurations digitally to boost output and predict equipment failures. So before this happen, so they can save money and time.
It's also revolutionizing healthcare. For medical training, companies like Johnson & Johnson use VR to train surgeons. They can practice complex procedures in a realistic, risk-free virtual operation room, making mistakes without any consequences. For real patients, for patient care, surgeons at leading hospitals now use AR overlay from digital twins of patient scans. These allow for more precise operation as they can see the exact location of a tumor or major blood vessel during surgery.
So, what does the future hold? Here are some emerging trends. So, lighter, more powerful AR/MR glasses that looks like regular eyeglasses. AI-driven, predictive digital twins that can not only show the present but also forecast the future. The growth of the industrial metaverse, where entire factories and supply chains are managed in a virtual, interconnected space. However, there are challenges to overcome. Data privacy and security. All this real-time data needs to be protected. Next, hardware limitations and costs. Making powerful yet affordable and comfortable devices is still a challenging. Last is the integrations of complexity and skills gap. So companies need experts who can integrate these complex systems into existing workflows.
To summarize, our key takeaways are: spatial computing is the bridge between our physical reality and digital intelligence.
Immersive technologies like VR, AR, and MR are the new interface for human-computer interactions, moving beyond screen and keyboards.
Digital twins provide the real-time data and simulation power that drives intelligent decision-making. And finally, together, they are transforming industries like manufacturing and healthcare by enhancing human capabilities and making complex tasks simpler, safer, and more efficient.